Today I will show you how to create a website in just 5 minutes. So let's start. First of all, go to this website vq.pe and click on get started button and create a new account on this website. I already have an account, so I will just log in from here. After that, you will see this page where you can create a new website. Just select website category and website name. Done. The website is created. Let's see our website. View website. You can see the website is live on hannahbaker.vq.pe. So now we have to edit our content in this website. To edit content, we have to go back and click on edit front end button. The same website will open but in editor mode. Now you can edit adding content by clicking on the content and save. You can see the content is updated. You can edit whatever you want. Just click on content, like I just click on image and upload the image. Select it, save. Here it's done. You can edit whatever you want on this website, like phone number, content, image, social media links. It's updated. Now let me show you other feature of this website. Here you can see the contact for booking or contact or send message form. You can edit their title. Now from this page, your visitors or your users or your clients, whatever you will say them, they can contact you or send you a message. Like when we go to the website and when the user will send you message, you will see the message here in backend. It is a backend of your website, so you can see the message come in this user message column. When you click on user message tab, you will see the message with the messages user sent you. Now there are many more features of this website. You can upload the work, or you can say your portfolio or whatever you want, or your blog post. When you upload it like this, upload the feature image, title and content, and when you add work, this is dynamic content which will show on your website here, latest updates, or you edit this title also. There are many more features, like you can add menus, or you can change the themes in backend. Like this, I just activated gym theme. When I will see our website, it will look like this. You can also add your custom domain, or in settings you can add title, description and your Google Analytics codes. So it was so simple to create a website in just 5 minutes. Here is ending of the video. Thank you for watching it.